How you doing today? Are you happy? Yeah. So what's going on? Oh yeah. And then what? And then what happened? Oh, okay. Let me get that little bit off. Yeah, okay. So then what happened? You did? Really? Okay. And how did that make you feel? Yeah, really? It did? I would have felt the same way. Mm-hmm.
You got me. Okay, I'm guilty.